Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to install Google Chrome in Windows 11. All you have to do is go to the bottom and click search. Then type Microsoft Edge. And at the top search bar, type Google Chrome or in this middle search bar, whether you want. After you click Google Chrome, click Google Chrome, download Chrome today. Now, click here, download Chrome. Then, you can select download Chrome here. And then at the top, click folder. Then at the bottom, look for Chrome setup. Click here. Then, wait for a minute to download it. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.